everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So disclaimer, I do this every video. I have a baby and a bulldog in front of me, so if you do hear noises, that's exactly what that is. And the rattling, oh my god. It's probably not the best time to film this video, but I also, if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it because I've had this item for the longest time and I haven't done it. But I wanted to share with you a new sunglass purchase. So as you can tell by the title, these sunglasses are sorry, my dog's very distracting, from Saint Laurent. Now the box is absolutely like ruined. I was using it as a cup holder and a coaster, sorry, and yeah, so that's the box they come in. I actually have not purchased a Saint Laurent pair of sunglasses before, so this was very exciting. It does come with a cleaning cloth, and I actually really enjoy the case that they come in. It's just this black, really plain leather magnetic case, which is so, no, actually, is it magnetic? Yes, it is magnetic, and they just sit in there. There is a hard piece here which does protect the item. So yeah, I really do love their packaging. I think it is so simple yet so classy. So as we can tell by the title, this is the pair of the famous Hailey Bieber sunglasses that are the must-have. So yeah, like I said, I've had this item for quite a long while now, actually, probably like 4 or 5 months. So for reference, these are on the Australian Saint Laurent website, the SL276 Mica Sunglasses. They retail for $605 and they actually come in quite a few colors which I haven't actually seen before. So for me, I'm actually really into oversized sunglasses. I just feel like they just work on my face. However, in saying that, I actually have a weird face for sunglasses. I feel like a lot of different shapes and styles do work for me. So I randomly tried these on and I was sort of surprised and definitely shocked because they're so different to what I have already in my collection. So this is what they look like, so much smaller, but I do just really enjoy how different they are. So they're just really plain with the Saint Laurent written on the side there, which I do like. And yeah, that is what they look like. Really basic. I do find that you have to wear them down on your nose a bit more rather than up there. I don't know, I just feel like personally they look kind of better a bit lower. So I am getting used to the smaller lens. In the sun, I find that a lot of light gets through compared to my bigger sunglasses. But I do really like it. Let me know your thoughts if you think these suit me or not. I would love to hear from you, and as always, I'll take these off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.